런던의 어느 한 연회장. 사람들은 파티를 즐기기에 여념이 없었죠. 그러나 모두의 이목을 끄는 불길한 소리가 들려오고 하늘에서 미사일이 날아오는데, 그리고 2차 세계대전 당시 히틀러의 공군은 영국 도시들의 대규모 폭격 작전을 개시했는데요. 이 시기는 블리츠라고 불립니다. 전격전이라는 뜻이었죠. 런던에서 살고 있는 한 소년 조지, 자상한 할아버지 제럴드와 사랑을 듬뿍 주는 엄마 리타와 함께 단란한 삶을 살고 있었죠. 하루를 마무리하는 리타와 조지. 그러나 경보가 울리고 행복한 시간을 보내다가도 경보가 울리면 즉시 대피해야 했죠. 하지만 대피소도 부족한 상황. 그 순간 근처에 투하된 폭탄에 두려움은 커지고
Spectre, it's against the law. These people are hopelessly exposed. I'm ordering you one last time. Open the gates. Open them up.
조지의 가족도 지하 한 구석에 자리를 잡습니다.
Stop filming, mate. You gotta let him go.
제럴드는 조지를 안전한 곳으로 대피시킬 것을 충고하는데요.
It's alright, Ollie. Me, you, Mum and Grandad. We'll be home in the morning.
마음이 복잡해지는 리타. 아침이 되고 리타는 결국 조지를 대피시키기로 결심하죠.
Why can't you come with me?
I told you it's an adventure for children only.
I want to stay with you.
조지는 엄마와 함께 있고 싶다며 거부합니다.
It's only until all this is over.
Please, Mum. Don't send me away.
그런 조지에게 목걸이를 건네주는 리타.
Your dad would want you to have it. It's going to keep you safe, all right? Yeah?
Look after yourself, my boy. Be brave and stand up to bullies. What do we always say about them?
All math and no trousers.
Pardon? I didn't hear what you said. Speak up, please.
All math and no trousers.
Correct. Come here.
할아버지와 작별하고 리타와 조지는 기차역에 도착합니다.
Forget to be a good boy. Don't wipe your nose on your sleeve. Use your ankle. I hate you.
화가 난 조지는 오진말을 꺼내고
George! Rita, calm yourself. You'll be all right. I need to say goodbye properly. Rita!
결국 조지는 엄마를 미워하며 슬픈 작별을 하는데요.
All right?
아픔을 딛고 리타는 출근합니다.
Yeah, I know. It's bloody hard. Sending him away like that. But keep your chin up, eh?
He'll be well looked after, otherwise they wouldn't have evacuated him. It'd be like going to Blackpool. Better.
Ladies, can we stop the chit-chat and get on with it, please? There are boys out there, our boys, relying on us, relying on you.
남성은 전쟁에 나가고 여성은 공장에서 무기를 만들던 때였죠. 한편 조지는 기차 안에서 놀림을 당하는데요.
You look like my dog. Where's your tail? Oh, he's crying. Missing Mummy, are ya? Who's a good boy? All right, who wants to fight? You? You? Which one of ya? Thought so. All math, no trousers.
할아버지의 조언대로 자신을 무시하는 이에게 따끔한 한마디를 해주고 조지는 과거를 회상합니다.
George, tea. All right. Going to Mummy, you black bastard, you.
또래 아이들에게 차별을 받았던 조지. 그런 조지의 유일한 피난처는 바로 가족이었는데요. 대피를 위해 기차를 탄 조지는 결국 기차에서 뛰어내리기로 결심합니다. 그리고 반대 방향으로 달리던 기차를 붙잡아 타는데 그 안에서 도망친 아이들과 만납니다.
I'm Tommy. What's your name? George. Georgie, Porgy, Puddin' and Pie. Kiss the girls and made them
갑자기
cry.
랩디스를 시전하는 애들에게
Little Tommy Tucker sang for his supper. What shall we give him? Brown bread and butter.
뒷동차는 라임으로 기선제 앞에 버리고
All right. These are my brothers, Archie and Ian.
형제들은 함께 있기 위해 도망을 친 것이었죠.
When we got to Somerset, they were going to separate us. That wasn't going to happen. In our family, it's one for and all for one. So we ran for it, hid in the woods, and jumped on this train. Tommy, I'm hungry. Stop whining. I've got a sandwich. We can share it. Strawberry jam, my favourite. How'd you get away? I jumped off the train. Jeepers. My mum sent me away. At the station, I was a bit mean to her. She's your mum. She'll forgive you. They always do. I just want to go home. Let's play dares. I dare you to climb onto the roof of the train.
외롭고 배고픈 아이들은 서로 금방 친해집니다. 잠이 든 아이들은 기차가 멈추는 소리에 깨는데요.
London, wake up! We've stopped, but we're not at a station.
아이들은 도망치기 시작하는데
Come on, George!
달려오는 기차에 망설이는 사이
We're stopping you. You can make it.
끔찍한 광경을 보게 되는 조지. 한편 리타는 조지의 아버지인 마커스를 떠올립니다.
My mother gave it to me.
어머니가 준 목걸이를 리타에게 건네주는 마커스.
It will keep you safe.
마커스와 리타는 돌아가던 길 백인들과 부딪히는데요.
Oi, watch it.
What'd you say?
I said wash it. You did that on purpose.
Come on, take the notice. Come on. What kind of man are you? What needs a woman to defend?
What are you doing with that monkey anyway?
Hey, watch your mouth.
Marcus!
그때 경찰이 달려오고
He's a savage! He's trying to attack me, officer!
Lying, they started the fight.
eyes. He came as like an animal for no good reason.
I did to the first punch. I was defending myself.
You'll have a bit more defending to do when we get you down to the
He
station.
hasn't done anything. Marcus!
Get back, Rita!
I said don't move.
결국 마커스가 경찰에게 끌려가게 됐는데요. 그것이 리타가 본 마커스의 마지막 모습이었죠.
Marcus!
GPS도 없던 시절 드넓은 런던 땅에서 어린 조지는 결국 길을 잃고 마는데요. 하루 종일 런던의 거리를 헤매던 중 조지는 이페와 만나게 됩니다.
What is your name?
이페는 조지를 따뜻하게 대해주는데요.
Pleasure to meet you, George. My name is Ife.
Ife.
Yes, Ife is Nigerian for love. So how the hell did you end up here?
I jumped off the train because I want to go home. I lost my way. Please don't send me back.
Finish your tea, Then you can come with me on my rounds. Afterwards, I'll take you home to Clifford Lane.
상냥한 이페에게 조지는 속마음을 털어놓습니다.
Are you black?
Of course.
I'm not black.
Are you not?
No. My father was. He was born in a place called Grenada. His name's Marcus, but I never met him. My mum said people took him away from us before I was born.
Why was that?
I don't know. My granddad says he was deported. He told my mum I hated her
Why did you say that?
because she made me go.
She did it to keep you safe.
I know.
그때 다시 공습 경보가 울리고 이페는 조지를 대피소에 데려오는데요. 그때 이페는 대피소 내에서 갈등이 일어난 것을 목격하는데
Excuse me. What are you doing?
This is for English people. Move over.
But madam, don't raise your voice at my wife. Who do you think you are, eh? Just move over. So he wasn't raising his voice.
What seems to be the problem here?
This gentleman has put up this sheet to contain us. To put us in a prison within a prison. I have no interest in looking at him, but I do not want to be concealed.
There is no segregation here. We are all equal members of this country, willing or not.
This is exactly what Hitler is doing. Dividing man against man and race against race. We are in a situation of war. Banded together, asked to do our absolute best. And I'd like to think. I'd like to think that we step up to the occasion and see our fellow human beings as equals. And that we treat each other with compassion and respect. I would advise those who do not agree to seek shelter elsewhere.
George. George, get some sleep. I'm still on duty. I've got to finish my rounds. I'll be back in the morning.
If I?
Yes, George.
I am black.
그렇게 다음날 아침에 보자며 잠시 작별했지만 다음날 아침 조지는 충격적인 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
Excuse me, sir. Have you seen Ife?
Ife? Yes. Yes. Wait here, lad.
Hey, Phil. Boy's asking for Ife. Didn't you hear? He got it last night. He was trying to get this old girl out of her house. She refused to leave. Didn't think twice about himself. Yeah, you mind where you're going.
한편 조지의 실종 소식을 듣게 된 리타인데요.
I'm sorry to say it's been brought to our attention that your son, George Hanway, did not arrive at his destination. You're responsible for his safety.
Now, this must be a shock, Rita, but please contain yourself.
No, where is he? Where's my boy? Why can't you tell me where he
All
is?
the relevant authorities have been informed, including the police.
You were meant to be looking after him.
All the protocols were followed
All
in
the
accordance with the law.
protocols. Where's my bleeding son? I left him in your care yesterday morning.
Here are our details, Mrs. Hanway. If he finds his way home, please let us know.
Rita. Rita, now I know you're upset, and that's understandable given the circumstances, but you're in the middle of a shift.
I'll be back when I've found my boy.
There might not be a job for you here.
You can shove your job up your ducky for all I care.
의지할 곳을 잃은 조지.
Well, I don't know what's going to happen with these rations. Oi! Get rid of a lot of them. Bloody scallywags.
Well, it takes one to know one.
How dare you?
그런 조지에게 달려오는 제스.
Hey! When did you last have something to eat?
굶주렸던 조지는 호의를 베푸는 그녀를 따라가게 됩니다.
Come on.
하지만 제스를 따라간 곳은 분위기가 심상치 않아 보였는데요.
Oh, here. He looks small enough.
Done good, Jess. What's his name?
George.
Come here, boy. Where you from?
Albert asked you a question, George.
Stepney, Clifford Lane.
Oh, shithole.
Right. Let's get you to work, boy.
엘버트를 따라간 곳은 폭격을 맞은 귀중품 가게였죠.
I need you to do to make yourself as small as possible and crawl through. Yeah? Take as much as you can. Understand? Hey! You try that again and I'll personally thrash you till you're black and blue. And after that, you're still breathing, we'll throw you in the river. And no one will find you, dead or alive.
시킨 대로 도둑질을 하던 그때
Scallywag off the street, coming here and help himself. There's someone in here.
경찰에게 들킬 뻔하는데
I don't like this. Let's go. Wait a minute. Here, two right. Let's go.
You done good, George.
Can you take me home now?
무사히 도둑질을 해내고 집에 데려다 달라고 부탁하지만
All in good time.
No, now.
What, did that hurt? Did that hurt? Did it? Like that? Hey? Did that hurt? Did that hurt? Did it? Did it hurt?
Albert! You here?
Yeah, you deserve a reward. How about a bit of cake? Would you like a bit of cake? Yeah? Get him some cake. Keep hold of him. Oh, he's a slippery little tyke.
이들은 폭격을 맞아 폐허로 변해버린 연회장으로 오는데요.
If you want to go home, get to work. Unless you want those uniforms to put you back on that train, because that's what I'll do. Come on, get on with it.
죽은 사람들에게서 귀중품을 훔쳐야 하는 상황.
Help me! Oh, don't worry about it. They're all dead. Their lungs burst from the explosion. Get those earrings off Pinky dress.
Waiter, bubbles, please, waiter.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir. Is this your new girlfriend, Albert?
This is my good lady friend Edwina.
Oh, lovely. She's good fun, but she's a bit stiff.
시체를 가지고 엽기적인 상황극을 벌이는데
Get it in there.
Cheers.
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 이 틈을 타 도망치는 조지.
You look divine today, dear.
Oh, thank you so much.
무사히 빠져나와 휴식을 취하려는데 숨어있던 도중 다시금 미사일이 떨어지고 조지는 황급히 지하철역으로 몸을 숨깁니다. 가까스로 지하철역에 들어오는데요.
All right, everybody out. There are no more trains running tonight.
I've got a right to be here. I paid for a ticket.
Rules are the rules. I didn't make what's going on up there, mate. Your job's work.
There's no more capacity.
We've got to lock the gates.
그렇게 지하철 선로에서 잠이 듭니다. 하지만 정체를 알 수 없는 소리에 잠에서 깨게 되는데 불안감이 고조되던 그때 갑자기 쏟아져 들어오는 폭포 같은 물에 지하는 아수라장이 되고 작은 몸을 가누지 못하고 떠내려가는 조지를 한 어른이 구해줍니다. 패닉에 빠진 사람들이 밖으로 벗어나려 하지만 출구가 막혀버린 상황. 그때 한 남성이 체구가 작은 조지에게 도움을 요청하는데요.
See if you can fit through underneath and get some help. You got that?
그렇게 막중한 임무를 떠맡게 되는데 과연 조지는 이곳에서 탈출하여 무사히 가죽의 품으로 돌아갈 수 있을까요? 애플 TV에서 만나보실 수 있는 신작 영화 런던 공습은 스티브 맥퀸의 감독과 각본으로 제작되었는데요. 2차 세계대전 당시 히틀러가 영국의 도시들을 폭격했을 때 주민들이 할 수 있었던 것은 지하 터널과 벙커로 대피하는 일뿐이었죠. 그 험난한 시기에 리타는 어머니로서 아이를 지키기 위해 조지를 안전한 시골로 대피시키는데요. 하지만 어머니와 떨어지고 싶지 않았던 조지는 기차에서 내려 집으로 돌아오는 여정을 시작하게 되죠. 전쟁 당시의 참혹한 상황들, 하지만 그 안에서 삶을 놓지 않는 인간의 감동적인 드라마가 궁금하신 분들께서는 지금 바로 애플 TV에서 런던 공습을 만나보시기 바랍니다. 감사합니다. 드림텔러였습니다.